It's busy. It's busy. It's packed. Whoa. Blizzard Beach. The bobsled's at Blizzard Beach. Beach house. Little beach house. Pretty cool. A lot of water lodge. Whoa, there's the lodge. The beach house. It's the beach house.
Let's see where we can find a spot to put our stuff down.
Pretty cool, and there's a lot of water lodge. It's melting down here. It's got to be, let's see, what is it today? Tell him, Mick, what is it? Ooh, 84 degrees. Feels a lot hotter than that, but it is still 11:30, 11:38, 40. Oh, got some sprinkles. Oh, there it is. There it is, folks. Whoa.
I want to go on that. No.
Whoa. Oh my God, is that to get up there? I don't even remember that. Now that's the kid side, so it's not gonna really go over there. There's a ski lift. Tessa, who's gonna win? I'm gonna win.
I think
Who's gonna win this race?
Lie on your stomach on the toboggan and hold on.
Oh my God! Woo! Okay. This is a big one. Whoa, it's a dark So scary. Almost a minute to walk. All right, now we're out and about. Cool kid summer. Go over there real quick and get a picture. engine power. Whoa! Yeah! Amazing! Okay, and here we are. We are on the... I don't even know what you call this. I'm not paying attention, but...
Teamboat Springs, that's what we want to go. Teamboat Springs.
Okay. This is the easiest way up to the top. Although you do have to wait in about a 20-minute line like we did today. Let's see people on the gusher flying around. Yeah. Oh, this tree's right in the way.
I'm watching that one.
Look, I see 3 seats open down there.
We passed by our twin. I love all of the colors.
Really high enough to see anything else yet. I haven't seen anyone come down yet.
This is right there. They're going. See, I could do that.
If I can't do right there on the beach where you're in the capsule and you have no way to get out, then I ain't going there. Hell no. Here it is, your best view of the, I don't even know what this area is. It's like the team area, and what they call that zone over there?
What's that thing there? The thing that you would go off of, like...
The fling off the summit plummet?
Yeah.
I guess it's random. Look, someone's there. Whoa.
A hair tie.
Yeah, then you've never been on a real ski lift going up to something like that.
No, I've been on a real ski.
More hair ties. Hair ties, everybody, hair ties. Someone's Moana card. More hair ties. They're clingers. They're cluster clingers. Sticking around there. Let's check out the lodge. Here it is. Wow, it's showing it's only 70-something degrees. All right, that's it. That was right. No, trip ahead. No. Pretty cool. Now we're going into the little. Oh, drink Coca-Cola. Leaving Lodge.
Say about today.
Yeah, what was today? Yeah, it's pretty fun. So what was the best ride? What was the best slide?
Everything.
Yeah, they were all good. I really liked the I'll never remember what name it was. But the family one is the best. Yeah, Teamboat was the bestest.
If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to put them in the comments. Like and subscribe for more videos.